Hi besties, you're welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be making date serum or puree, whichever way you want to call it. So you're going to take out the seed, after which you wash it. You can do it either way. It's either you wash it before you take out the seed, or you take out the seed before washing. Then you soak it. You can soak it for like 6 hours or 12 hours depending on how patient you are. Okay, so you after soaking for as long as you want, you blend it. Okay, you pour in your blender and blend it. So you can see what I'm doing here. This is actually the water I used in soaking it. Okay, I didn't add another water. This is the water I used in soaking it. Okay, so you blend it, make sure it's well blended, like make sure it's well blended. All right, when you're done blending, you use your cloths to sieve it, or you use your sieve, whichever one you want to use. They both are fine, so it depends on the one you have in the house. I have both, but I decided to use the sieve instead of the cheesecloth. Okay, so you can see I'm blending it over and over, making sure that everything is well blended. I didn't want to see any stuff at the end of blending or when I am trying to sieve it. Okay, so you can see the way I sieved it. Okay, so if it is your first time here, you're welcome, and for my returning subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. Okay, thank you for your support. I appreciate all you do for me. Okay, so you try and save it. All right, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, to get more recipes like this. All right, so you can see the way I'm trying to strain it. All right, so after straining, you add to your pan. Okay, you add to your pan, your pot, whatever thing you want to use to cook it. Okay, so I poured it in the pan and then I placed it on heat. I make sure the heat is very low, like very low. Make sure your heat is very low when you place it on your stove. Make sure it's very low. Then you keep stirring from time to time so it doesn't get burnt. Okay, make sure you stir from time to time. Do not just place it on fire and then you leave it to go and be watching your TV, or you go and be doing anything. Just make sure you keep checking in to stir it so it doesn't get burnt. Okay, so you keep stirring and stirring until it changes color. Okay, you can see it's gradually changing, and you can see it's drying up. It wasn't as much as this when I first placed it on fire, so you will keep stirring. You see, it will gradually cook. It's not something you increase the fire, no, the heat, sorry. So you just make sure it's gradually cooked. So it's well cooked, and I left it to cool a bit. Then I transferred it to this container. Okay, when putting in a container, make sure it's an airtight container. Okay, then you place this in your fridge. This can last you for like 3 to 6 months. Okay, this is a natural sugar. I prefer this to the normal sugar you use. Thank you for watching.